So we've got one daily coding challenge for today, the Tribonacci sequence. I'm guessing that is probably Italian. The Tribonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the three preceding ones. When starting with 0, 0, and 1, the first 10 numbers in the sequence are 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 13, 24, and 44. This probably needs some advanced maths that I probably do know how it works, but couldn't be asked to do that right now. Given an array containing the first two numbers of a Tribonacci sequence and an integer representing the length of the sequence, return an array containing the sequence of the given length. Your function should handle sequences of any length greater than or equal to 0. If the length is 0, return an empty array. Note that the starting numbers are parts of the sequence. Okay, that looks easy enough. Let's try it out. So we've got the function start sequence length, return length. Okay, we already have an array. We're given a number. We're probably gonna need a loop to loop through the array for the length given. So before we even start that, we already have one very clear solution. If the length is 0, return an empty array. So let's do that. If length of what, by the way, 0? Length of the array, I'm guessing. Oh, sorry, the length. What kind of, this guy, you dumb. If the length is 0, so if length equals 0, return empty array. So that's probably going to pass. Yeah, so that passes test 3. Then your function. So we've got start sequence. Ah, man. Trying to think. Double, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So we're probably gonna use I. So let's create a loop first. So for let I equals 0 and I is less than length, because I should not be greater than the length given, because the array should be a particular length minus 1. Then I plus plus, that's going to loop the number of times the length is. So what are we actually doing from there? So our start sequence is 0, 0, 1. Trying to figure out what the next one's going to be. Let's create a sum variable. Let sum equals 0 for now. So in each one, no, what is man doing? No, let I equals 3, because we already have 3 inside here. So 0, 1, 2. What? Yeah, that sounds reasonable. That sounds reasonable. Yeah, let's try that. I equals 3. Then sum equals, Jesus Christ. Yes, sum equals sum equals, what's the array? Start sequence. No. Hold on. Let's push the start sequence to another array first. Man, them. Man is lost. Oh, man is. Hold on, wait. Okay, let's do that first. Let's push the start sequence into a different array. So const copy. Let's create. Then start sequence. So we have a copy. So let's use this copy now to do it. So sum equals copy. Then I plus, wowza. Big mountain. You sure? Let's make I equals 0 first. I equals 0, then I less than length minus 3. That should work, I believe. Then I copy I plus 1 plus copy I plus 2. I can't lie. Let's check what sum is first. No, we'll do that after. Let's just roll with this and see how it works. Then copy dot push sum. That sounds about right. Copy dot push sum. Then let's return copy first and see what one, because man is just doing one kind of madness. I don't understand. Cause test equals, so the reason why I'm doing this actually is because I always try to create a test variable so I can test and see what I'm doing sometimes unless I feel confident, then I can do without the test variable. But man is not confident in this one. This is not adding up, so I need it this time. So console log test. Ah, why'd you fail? Oh, come on now. This is not the reason why I should be failing. This is an easy thing. If G-man. Wait. Yeah. If length is less than 3 or equal to 3, if length is less than 3 or equal to 3, return start sequence dot, is this splice? Yeah. Dot splice my god, length, I think. No, minus comma length minus length. Have you lost your mind? What are you on about? Comma start sequence dot length minus length. Let's add a new test and see if that works, because I don't think man knows what he's actually doing. Copy this man over here. Test. Oh, sorry, test 1. Nah. Wait. Let's think about this rationally. So, if it's 1, we're removing from 1, no? So, what? Nanya? What? Bruv. Wait. So this thing removed the first one. My question is why? Let's try this other way around, because I don't know what this is playing at right here. It's not start sequence. No, just paste, man. I'm done. Jesus Christ. What's wrong with... Why am I making things long? Bro, are we empty now? Oh, not lens. Now for this guy. Jesus. Oh my days. Why'd you move everything now, big man? It's always going to be 3 now. 1. This guy's not even... Are you smart? Like, what are you doing, bro? Okay. You know what? Let's think about this logically. So if length is 1, you should take the first one, right? If length is 2, you take the first one and second one, right? Right. So that means let's just for loop, bro. For let I equals 0, I less than length I plus plus open bracket trying to think. Do we need to create an array? Do we really need to create an array? Why are you making this thing long? This is not meant to be this long, I swear to God. Hold on. What's missing? Because why are you creating an array inside thing again? Why don't you just pop instead? Okay. Let's make this in I equals length. Then while I is no. While I is less than start sequence dot length. Does that make sense? But you always be less than though. What is bro even talking about? Wait. If I equal to length, so if I is 1, what's the idea? So I is 1. Wait, let's make I equals to start sequence dot length. I think I've gotten it now. Yeah. So if I is greater than length, I think. Yeah, I know. Minus. And then starts sequence array. No. Dot pop. So removes it. And then return Start sequence. Oh, bro, it's actually too good at this. Bro, it's actually too good. Like, but I swear to God, this thing should be this long. This is like 18 lines of code with like 2 if statements. I promise you, there's a better to this. There's better to this thing. I promise you now. There has to be a way to do this thing that it's smaller than this because this is too long to be solving this rubbish. This is not even. This is not even that hard. I don't know. I'm stressing over this thing. Copy start. You know what? I got it, man. A win's a win. Either way, a win's a win. So I'll celebrate that win. Let's leave this. I beg. We don't try.